Hello everyone and welcome to round 3 for the Tamworth Kart Championship. We are watching the finals. I hope you all enjoy my racing video and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet. Like the video if you enjoyed the race and share my channel and videos around so others can also enjoy them. This final was going really good at the beginning. You could see from the starting grid being in second meant I was second after all the heats, like in point wise. So all I had to do was not have any problems and I was set for second place. Yeah. Enjoy the race. So I'm actually going to do a little bit of commentary at the end, for the end of this race. You probably noticed on that corner that I lost grip and all of a sudden have become very slow. I've got to kind of go through this quickly, but what happened, and I noticed it happening around the 12th lap. I was losing pace and grip, and what happened was my rear hub shattered. So the hub section that connected the rim to the hub studs, it shattered off the hub, and over time it was tearing away the studs and tearing away the stud locks, or the stud nuts, and eventually it was a stud ripped off, and it was coming down to the wheel just staying on the kart. And you can see that everyone's passing me. I've got no pace or anything, and that's because my rear hub has completely shattered and torn apart. So it was very unfortunate. I don't really know what could have caused it. I did have an accident, or I was kind of a part of an accident in the first heat, but this whole race had been completely fine up until the last few laps. So it's unfortunate. It happens. It's racing. I was, as you could see, I was in second place for this round, and all I had to do was finish this finals and I would have got second, but I actually ended up getting third, and I tied for third. So because of a tie, which is a bit unfortunate, and it's, you can't really do much about it, on a tie, the person who gets the better position in the finals gets third. So because I came last in the finals, I technically got fourth, which it happens, it's racing, but you can't do much about it. That's pretty much it. You can see from these laps as well, like these timers, that there's a few people that were faster than the person who got third. It is what it is. It's just based on the situation. Like, if I didn't get last on the last 200 meters of the final lap, then maybe I could have got a few points more than what I had and could have got third, but it is what it is. So I just wanted to do the commentary on the end part of this race to just let you know what happened. And right here you can see that my wheels actually come off. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Please subscribe, share and like, and stay tuned for the next race. I'll be actually going up to Dubbo to test race for the state titles, and Kartworks has actually sponsored me a set of tyres for that race, to give me a bit more of a helping hand, because I was going up with second-hand tyres. So I really appreciate Kartworks for that. But just thought I'd explain what happened in the last few laps. And I was in second, and I was in good control of the race. But yeah, it happens. It's racing. I still had a great weekend. I still had lots of fun, laughs and everything. But yeah, anyway, subscribe, share, like, and watch the next video. Peace.